In this session, we'll look at what Skype is, what to use Skype for, and how to get Skype. Skype is a communication tool for free calls and chat. You can use Skype to talk, chat, and to collaborate. Skype is available on computers, phones, and tablets, ensuring that you benefit everywhere, in your office as well as when you're away from your physical office. To get Skype on your computer, navigate to www.skype.com. On the Skype website, click Downloads. On the download page, you are presented with a number of tabs that will let you download the appropriate version of Skype for the particular device you want to install Skype on. Because we're using a computer, we'll remain on the Desktop tab. Click Get Skype for Windows 10 if you're running Windows 10 on your computer. For older versions of Windows, for example Windows 7 or 8, click the caret down icon. In the drop-down menu, you are presented with options to download Skype for Mac, Linux, and for the older versions of Windows. Click Get Skype for Windows. If you have a download manager on your computer, a dialog box will pop up that will let you download the Skype setup to your computer. If you do not have a download manager, your browser will download the Skype setup to your downloads folder in your computer. In other cases, if you click Get Skype for Windows 10, a pop-up will appear that will ask you to open the Microsoft Store. When the Microsoft Store opens, you can download Skype onto your computer. Because Skype is already installed on this computer, I can click Launch to open Skype. If you do not already have Skype, you'll be presented with an option to install Skype onto your computer.